Hey, hi guys, and thank you very much for your response in the Telegram group about the GST workshop. So yes, coming Saturday and Sunday, we are going to conduct two-day workshop at the evening, and where we will discuss about the GST registration and return filing. So not only that, because registration and return filing, you will get multiple videos in YouTube channel at free of cost. So what we are going to do means section wise. So section 22 to 25 about registration, then 37 38 about return filing. So we will understand first that section wise, and after that we will show you how to file the return. So in registration also there is a one update about mapwise, and in 3 GST1 there is a call. Each table is there. So each table we will discuss, and we will show you practically also of online and offline both filing. And the important thing is that ITC reconciliation, because this is the March month end, and GST1 and GST3B, if any different is there in value case, you have to rectify before filing your March return. So that mismatch, how to rectify that and how to do ITC reconciliation in by downloading one report file. So we will discuss about this one, and in case if you are interested to learn about that one, so click the link below and register yourself. So it is a small amount, 499, so not much cost. So see you in Saturday and Sunday workshop, and this will be the free workshop for our whoever in our tax club membership. For those member it will be free, and for the non-member it will cost of 499. So see you Saturday and Sunday. Thank you.